got to Brawley, and then we had to go to the doctor's for checkups. Got back to the house, I had something to eat, and I went to sleep. Now, it was almost 2 p.m. our time by the time we got back to the house. So I had been up for 21 hours. I crashed out hard. Got up, took the bikes down. We did a little bit of riding. Oh, no, wait. Got up, had dinner, watched a movie that the niece wanted us to see. Then I took the bikes down. We rode just a little bit and made plans to actually do some real riding this morning, but we needed to do something about the seats. They are hard. I finished mounting all the stuff that needed mounting on the bikes. Put decals, reflectorized decals on them, mounted lights, and whole 9 yards. Got them all ready to roll. Put Chris's phone mount and her little bag for her iPod and external speaker. Put that on there. Edited up the video that still needed, the 2 videos that still needed editing. And we also did laundry. Most of it. I still got to do the bedding, which I'm going to pull that off as soon as I get done with what I'm doing here. I'm on my way back to the house right now. Anyway, went to Walmart. Now, the Walmart close to the house is not a 24-hour store. So I had to go the next town over. It's not that far. It's not far at all. If we were in better shape, we could actually ride the bicycles to it, no problem. Picked up some gels. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. Time to wake Chris up. Not. Okay. Where was I? Got some gel pads for the bike seats. And there's one bike already at the house that belongs to Chris's nephew. But it's just been hanging there forever. It's a big old cruiser. Beach cruiser. Tires are flat. So I'm going to have to reinflate them. Clean the bike off. It's got a lot of dust on it. But that still leaves us one bicycle shy. So I went ahead while I was at Walmart and bought one more bike. It's not as nice as ours. It's basically a Walmart quality version of ours. Not a bad little bike. But as soon as I get back to the house, I'm going to take that bike off the rack, bring it in the house, make sure everything's set up and adjusted right. Before I do that, I'm going to strip the bed, get my bedding in the wash machine, then do that bike, then pull the other bike off the hooks that's hanging on hooks from the patio cover, clean it up, get it ready to go, and hopefully that'll, by the time I'm done with that, it'll be time for everybody to get up. Then we can go riding a little bit, take a shower, and we gotta go back to the doctor's office because I have to do blood work. I have been NPO since midnight. So all I have been allowed is water. And it's driving me crazy because that Walmart had a cholesterol is probably high, which is why we're working on eating healthier. I have a couple of issues, but in general, for a 50-year-old, I'm in reasonable shape. So now it's back to the house. It's about another 6 miles, and we'll be there. That seat feel better, Sam? Much.
How do you feel?
My butt's still sore from yesterday.
You should just take these paddings back and don't swap it for the big seat. Because these seats are narrow.
I think I need to raise my seat a little more.
You want to stop?
How far y'all planning on going? Okay, Chris, her sister, and her niece are still riding. I'm back over to the clinic to get my blood work done. Waiting for them to open up. I did about a mile. I know, that ain't squat. But I got bad knees, and I gotta work my way back up. So if I do a mile now, do a mile in a couple hours, do a mile in a couple hours, and whenever we're stopped, try to take advantage of the situation, get the bikes out, get a couple miles in. I'll be able to build up, get some distance. Also, these bikes ain't exactly made for riding on these streets. There we go. Now I got my beep beep. Come on, kick over. There we go. I need to get different seats. All there is to it. My old wide butt is a little bit too old and wide for them skinny, narrow little seats that they put on these bikes. But it felt really good to be riding a little bit. And once we're really, actually doing it well, or doing a lot of it, I'm going to get us some higher grade bikes that will work better for us. These were $200 a piece bikes. Not the best in the world. The crank is a little bit short for me. I like a slightly longer crank. it's a good bike altogether. When we upgrade, we can give the bikes to the grandkids. So it's not really wasted money. Use these to get back into riding, and once we're sure we're back into riding and doing good, then we can worry about getting high dollar bikes. But it was fun. I just had the little clip of us riding. I took up the rear. I didn't watch the whole clip, but I got up beside Chris to see if we could pick up her little speaker box thing. And Sam was super happy that I got her bike for her. And she's taking some extra college classes. College ain't that far away. Maybe she'll end up riding her bike back and forth to college. I don't know. But right now, I'm going to go see if the doors are open yet. And go get some blood drawn. Then I'm going to go over to Vaughn's across town here. And get the stuff to make breakfast. I have been NPO since midnight. I'm hungry. I want a good, nice, big southern breakfast. It's going to be bacon, eggs, French toast. I might just make some grits. I don't know. I don't even know if they have grits in California on the store shelves. But yeah, bacon, eggs, French toast, grits. Now I'm going to get some orange Danishes to make on the pizzazz. Because Chris's sister, we used it yesterday to make tater tots with dinner. And Chris's sister wants to see what other kind of stuff we can do. So I'm going to get some Danishes, which will be real good. But first, right inside there, I got a front door parking space. Right inside there to go meet the vampire. Well, that went good. Urine sample and about 5 vials of blood. They're running everything on me. General, CBC, let's see, cholesterol, thyroid, and oh Lord, one more. But girl did good. Nice easy stick, but she's also using a relatively fine needle. I'm used to bigger needles for that. Chris, her sister, and her niece showed up. They did about 5 miles, best I can figure, unless I drive the pattern myself. So they had a real good ride. So now it's over to Vaughn's. Oh boy, just had a real good breakfast. Had bacon, eggs, grits, and French toast. And I'm gonna go to bed. It's way past my bedtime, but I get to sleep a little bit later. I am wore out. It done got hot. So I'm going to bed. I might just have enough to make 2 days out of today's to make up for yesterday. So in that case, gotta remember, if I don't have enough for 2 days, to cut off what I'm about to say. If you like the vlog, please share. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye all.